everyone, welcome back to our Iceland series. Last video we landed in Keflavik and picked up our new tiny home for the next 8 days before heading to Seljalandsfoss, one of Iceland's most famous waterfalls. This week we are making our way to Vik, where we will be visiting Reynisfjara and hiking a glacier before we continue our drive along Iceland's picturesque southern coast. Good morning!
Morning!
It's Monday, May 6th.
I'm glad you know, because I do not remember.
This is our campsite that we stayed at last night. We can't stay at the Icelandic way, but we've been calling it Hlishalar.
Yeah.
So I think that's as close as we can try. We try our best.
Doing our best.
Yeah, it was a really nice campsite.
Yeah.
It was a little bit on the pricier side. We didn't know that, but it includes everything. So it was worth it. We were very tired for our first night.
Yeah. It was, and it's like right not too far from, shoot, what's the waterfall we stayed at?
Oh, Seljalandsfoss?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
It's not too far from there. We
Yeah.
had a bit of a journey getting to Seljalandsfoss, but that's a different story.
That's okay. Today, we have a lot in store today. We finally slept well and we have energy and we have a lot of places to go and it'll be very exciting.
Yeah. Except it was like, what, bright at like 2 a.m. this morning, so.
Yeah, it started getting bright at like 3 and we went to bed at 10 and it was still light. So I'm like, it was an adjustment, but it's great. We're having a great time.
Yeah. See y'all at the next place.
Bye. Bye. We got hot dogs for breakfast. It was the only option, so.
Yeah, it's bacon wrapped hot dogs, and I got it with everything, which I guess is fried onions and raw onions and mustard.
Yeah.
So hopefully this is like the Icelandic hot dogs we've heard about.
Yeah, if not, we're going to try one in Reykjavik, which is where it definitely is. So tell me if it's good. Good?
Mm-hmm.
There's mine. Yum.
Say cheese. No, I'm recording.
Let's get one together. Cheers. Where are we at?
This is Skagaflats.
Oh, Skagaflats. Yes. Beautiful. We're at Black Sand Beach. We just got here. It's called Reynisfjara. They have signs posted. If it's green, it's good. Yellow, be cautious because of sneaker waves. And red, you cannot go on the beach. So I'll show you that. We stopped for a quick lunch in Vik for black crust pizza before meeting up with our tour guide to head to Katla Ice Cave. see these crazy looking structures. Anthony just told me this is lava, right? That's what you said?
Yeah, it's a former lava flow.
Former lava flow.
Probably really old ones. Everything's covered in moss.
Yeah, it's all covered in moss, but it looks so crazy. Wow, it's everywhere.
This is the Eldron lava field. It is a result of the Loch Key eruption, which took place from 1783 till 1784. The disease, crop failure, and famine which resulted from the eruption was responsible for killing roughly 20% of Iceland's population. The effects of the eruption were felt as far as mainland Europe, where the haze from the eruption blocked the sun and caused crop failures and famine. Historians also speculate that the hardships brought about by the eruption contributed to the French Revolution. The Eldron lava field is the largest lava field in the world, covering an astonishing 218 square miles, with a depth of roughly 32 feet. The otherworldly landscape of the lava field provides a glimpse into what the terrain of other planets might be. NASA even used it as a training ground for the astronauts of Apollo 11 to better prepare them for their eventual expeditions on the moon.
Our last stop of the day was to a canyon whose name we can't quite pronounce, taking in the views before heading back to camp for the night. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of our Iceland series. Like and subscribe to get notified when we upload part 3 as we continue our journey around Iceland's Ring Road.